Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all my Bolero picks from my local Dollar Tree. I am so excited because this video, I got something else that I'm going to be sharing with you all too. So yeah, you gotta keep watching this video. Anyhow, so I went up in Dollar Tree. Some of these are repeat buys, but I still felt obliged to share them with you all. So the first thing about the bag is the Coconut and Rose Milk Facial Serum. This thing have been an absolute godsend to my beauty and skincare routine. Let me tell you, this is very moisturizing. And given, well, depending on where you're at right now, I'm up north and it is old man winter is kicking butts out here, okay? But thanks to this Bolero serum that's ultra moisturizing, even though I have oily skin, it's not overwhelming on my face, but it is keeping my face very hydrated and very moisturized to combat against old man winter that's out there kicking up a storm. So I got another one of these. Now to go along with that, I also picked up the Vanilla, Sugar, and Raspberry Serum. Now this serum, you got to pay attention to this one. This is a cleansing serum, and it says it right here, cleansing and purifying. So when I do like my face scrubs for my face, this is what I use as some drops within it, because this helps to cleanse your face of the toxins and everything else that gravity and Mother Nature seems to throw at your face. So be mindful when you buy this one. This is the cleansing and purifying serum, okay? So going back in line with my my serums, I also picked up the Coconut and Rose Oil Facial Serum, and this is made with natural coconut and rose oil. Haha. Again, different than my coconut and rose milk. All right, this is coconut and rose oil, coconut and rose milk, two different versions, yet they both are moisturizing. So these were the three serums that I restocked up on, and I was so excited that Dollar Tree actually had them on hand. Still in line with my coconut and rose, I picked up the shower gel because it's very moisturizing, and throughout the winter I love using coconut based products because of the moisturization that it gives the skin. And coconut is a natural element that you can use to cleanse your body with too. So, and it's excellent for your face. Don't think shower gel can't be used on your face. At least this one can. So I picked up that. I also picked up the Coconut and Rose Milk Bath Salts. This helps to de-stress and take the aggravation away from the day that you just had, honey. And it's moisturizing because it's coconut and rose milk. So I got another one of those. And this is the highlight of my find, the Coconut and Rose Milk Facial Mist. Facial Mist. This makes a great face setting spray. When I apply my makeup and after I'm done doing my makeup, I spritz this on my face, and it just, I don't know, it just makes my face come alive. I don't know, it just makes my face look that much more beat, honey. So I've been using this. I've been using this for about, I think the last maybe month and a half, and I had to get another bottle because the other bottle is kind of yeah, I needed another bottle, let's just say that. So I picked this one up, and look at what the back of this says. It says, get smoother skin. Get smoother skin with our Coconut and Rose Milk Facial Mist. Notice the glow and the softness. That's real for you. That is what the back of this bottle is saying, and that is what the back of this bottle that's saying is delivering. I'm telling you all, if you see these facial mists, just get more than one, because honey, I'm showing you this one, but after I use the first one and I'm showing you this one, best believe there's more than just this one. I'm just saying. And the last thing that I have to share with you all, still in line with the Coconut and Rose Milk, this is the body scrub. This here exfoliates. So you know I am set for my winter skincare routine. I have my exfoliating scrub, I have my shower gel, I have my face mist for when I do my makeup, okay? I even have my serum, okay? I have my serum. So this girl is ready for what old man Winter is trying to throw her way. Coconut and rose milk got me, okay? They have me good. And just in case I want to, you know, de-stress and just soak in a nice tub, I even got my bath salt. So that was about it with the Bolero. And now for my goodie that I want to share with you. So in line with me, you know, showing you the Bolero things, I was like, you know, I really want to spruce my little bathroom area up, or my little vanity area, and I got my beauty caddy. Yes, this is by Lavievert, and I got this from Amazon, and let me tell you all something. This has been a godsend to my counter space, okay? A godsend. As you can see, it doesn't take up a lot of space on my vanity. It has a huge clear top cover, so it gives me great visual for seeing my products. It also has a middle section that's got divided drawers, and the bottom part also has a huge large drawer which I can store much larger things in it, and it's waterproof. This caddy have surpassed all my expectations, Glam Dolls. I kid y'all not. It is waterproof, dustproof, okay? I'm able to see all my products in here, and it's travel friendly, all right? I got this from Amazon, and in case any of you is interested in it, guess what? I got a discount code for you right here. That discount code will be down in the comment section below, along with the direct link for you to go on Amazon and get one for yourself, because this is definitely worth you having, and it's worth its weight in gold, and it's travel friendly because I have actually traveled with this already, okay? Great gift giving idea too, just in case you late on the holidays trying to find a gift for somebody. This is going to come through. Yeah, I'm happy to have it. So on that note, dolls, thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. So I'm gonna go and put my beauty caddy back to where it was at, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.